Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete all Hotmail at once. If you want to delete all the emails in your Hotmail, now Outlook.com account at once, first go to Outlook.com website. You can directly open the app and search for it from the search bar. Once you're here, log in with your Hotmail or Outlook.com email address and password, or you can select the account to continue. In your inbox, check the checkboxes given on each chat to select it. Now the thing is, you need to mark the first checkbox from the list, and then the last one will mark all of the chats in between these two, and you will be able to delete more chats this way. Once selected, click on the delete option from the top of your selected chats. It will be deleted. Repeat the same process for other chats as well to delete them. It is important to note that this process permanently deletes the selected emails which cannot be recovered. If you want to keep some emails, make sure to move them to another folder before deleting everything. Always ensure that you have a backup or have moved any important emails to a safe location before performing a mass deletion. If you managed to enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.